name is Randy Robbins. I'm the Director of IT at Bob Barker Company. This has been a very transformative year for our company, especially in IT. We're moving our infrastructure to Peak 10, so our entire data center is moving. We're trying to fix all of our security issues, and identity engineering has been just tremendous help in all of our endeavors. They are our backbone for support. I mean, we have one guy that does all of our server and infrastructure work, and he leans on IE for everything. Every question we have an answer, really quick. Even on Saturdays and Sundays, somebody's always there to answer all our questions. So as we've completely changed our infrastructure, just not from networking, but from the server installations and everything, they've been right there every step of the way.
My name is Keith Kelly. I'm a systems administrator here at Bob Barker Company in Fuquay-Varina. Prior to our engagement with IE, we definitely had some infrastructure stability issues. Those were mostly due to misconfiguration or just devices that needed to be retired. Bringing in IE and having them perform the initial assessment and redesign, our infrastructure kind of has allowed us to move away from that, and we've had significantly better uptime as a result. Initially, we had an engineer from Internetwork Engineering come in and do several assessments of our network infrastructure. They were able to identify, several components that we had that weren't under the proper types of coverage, weren't configured correctly, were basically end of life and end of support with Cisco and some other vendors. They were able to help us remediate that by recommending, the proper products to put in place to, replace those systems and remediate the configuration issues that were actually causing measurable performance problems for us.
My name is Tom Barrett. I'm with Internetwork Engineering. I'm account manager. We came on site. IE brought on myself and an engineer, and we started understanding the customer's needs and requirements, how the business was affected by these things, and we were able to come up with a number of different solutions and a roadmap to support the client over the next 12 months.
I've worked with quite a few different engineers from IE thus far. I've been consistently impressed. I've worked with engineers from Internetwork Engineering to implement Cisco Prime infrastructure, Cisco ICE, virtual wireless LAN controller, and make several configuration changes and installations to Catalyst switches, Cisco ASA firewall, and some other network devices we have as well. I do know my networking, I know my way around the switch, but knowing that I've got somebody behind me who is an expert that I can get in touch with immediately if there are problems is huge. I can sleep a lot better at night knowing that those systems are being maintained by somebody who really knows what they're doing.
My name is Mike Tillman. I'm a senior consultant with Internetwork Engineering. Internetwork Engineering has a master certified Cisco NOC. We monitor our customers' networks, help keep them up to speed on everything that's going on in their infrastructure, notify them of any alerts that we see or any problems that they might run into. It's kind of a relief for them not to have to track all the little details every day of what's going on with their computer network.
Bob Barker has 4 sites that Internetwork Engineering and their managed services offering support. We have monitoring technologies at each of their locations to monitor their voice infrastructure, their network, their virtual environment, and a number of other technologies.
I would definitely recommend IE to any business, any organization, large or small. I mean, they clearly have the resources available, never had any issues with bandwidth or expertise, so I think these guys are on top of it and they're definitely going to grow.